after everything I've been through. Cut my bangs again yesterday. I'm liking it actually this time. Anyway, guess who's back? Am I back? I don't know. But today is Friday. Oops. And I wanted to share a really pretty day with you. And it's a really pretty rainy day. And you know that I fall in love every time it rains. So I wanted to share the romance. So here you go. Oh, this is zoomed in a bit much. Oops. I mean, I think I'm gonna get back into this a little bit because I really like it. But I hoped you liked whatever I could show you of the rain. Just turned on my camera and the battery is dying. So I hope you enjoyed that because I enjoyed this. Okay, have a good weekend. Bye. Mwah.